Hey, welcome to another tutorial from WordPress Page Builders Academy. We have an extensive library of tutorials for all the top WordPress page builders. So be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you see them when they come out. Okay, now on to today's tutorial. Hey everyone. So I just want to make this quick video because in our other Bricks Builder tutorial on how to design your search page, someone in the comments section asked how to display a no results message or a custom message for when your website doesn't return anything that the user searches for. So I want to make this video quickly to cover how to do that. Okay, so let's get started. So first, you want to make sure to open up your search results template. So make sure you're editing the template that you use for displaying the search results, right? So this would be the one that contains the search filter element, I would assume. And once you're there, go to the query loop settings. Hey, we've got a quick favor ask. If you've made it this far into that tutorial, please smash that like button. It will really help out this channel in these tutorials. Okay, now back to the actual tutorial. Thank you. And then scroll down within the settings until you see the no results section. Here, you will add a no results message. So you have two options. You could add a template for the no results page if you already have one, or you could type some text directly into the text area here. So to keep it simple, we'll just type in no results in the text box. Now, if plain text is just too boring for you, you do have the option to customize the text with inline CSS. For instance, if you want to change the color and size of your text, you could use this HTML snippet that we will display on screen right now. So the code that you see makes the no results text blue and font size 24 pixels. Of course, you could do whatever you want with this code, so you could change it to whatever color you want or whatever font size you want. Uh, then once you've modified and customized your message, click Save to apply changes. Now, when no results are found in your search, the no results message that you just customized will appear on the page. It'll show up styled as how you customized it. Anyway, that's just a quick tutorial on how to do a no results message in Bricks Builder when a website visitor searches for something and there is nothing to display. So if you appreciate this video, please give it a thumbs up. Takes time to make it, so we really appreciate the love. And also, if you have not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and the bell, and you'll get alerts of future tutorials. Okay, we really appreciate the support. And we also have something really cool on the way, so stay tuned for that in the coming weeks. Okay, all right. Thank you. Bye.